Hi there, welcome to the service department over at Overseas Motors BMW in Mini Windsor. I'm Tom Moss, service manager here at the dealership. Here we understand how important it is to maintain your vehicle after purchase. Having your vehicle regularly serviced will ensure that it remains in tip-top shape. At Overseas Motors BMW in Mini Windsor, we offer a variety of services and make it top priority to ensure that your servicing experience is not only efficient, but convenient. We made it so scheduling a service appointment is as simple as texting. Our service line number is 807-700-4756. Once done, a service advisor will get back to you as soon as possible to assist you with booking. You can also book your service appointment online by visiting our website, www.overseasbmw.com or www.miniwindsor.com. Online forms will allow you to schedule your service at any time, anywhere. Once completed, you'll then receive an automated confirmation with your appointment details. To increase convenience for your customers, we also offer a pickup and delivery service. With this service, we'll pick up your vehicle and drop it off for you at your desired location. Once maintenance is completed, you can opt for this method of getting your vehicle to and from our dealership by selecting pickup and or delivery during booking. For customers who prefer to drop off their vehicle themselves, our service bay area has been specially built for in-person drop-offs. If you're coming into our dealership for maintenance, it is as easy as pulling up the doors of our dedicated service area. We'll take care of the rest. During these times, we understand that safety is a top concern, which is why we also created self-check-in service. This contactless way of checking in your vehicle ensures that you will be protected. Simply select the self-check-in option when booking, fill your contact and car information, and you're good to go. For those with busy lifestyles and those who may not be able to drop their keys off during the hours of operation, we have a night drop box service. This service allows you to drop your vehicle off anytime. Just leave your keys in one of the sealed envelopes, fill your contact information, and place the envelope in the night drop box. Once your car is ready, a staff member will contact you by text or phone call to pick up your vehicle. When you get your vehicle serviced at Overseas Motors BMW and or Mini Windsor, you can expect many complimentary services to go along with your requested maintenance. This includes car washes, vehicle sanitization, multi-point inspections, numerous different alignment issues, protective coverings, free of charge, and all of your satisfaction of our customers and while you wait as our expert mechanics service your vehicle. You can relax in our waiting area, designed for your comfort, with couches, plenty of newspapers, magazines, and a coffee machine. At Overseas Motors BMW and Mini Windsor, we value our loyal customers and want to reward them with the best discounts available, which is why we've created a high mileage club. This members only discount allows our customers to save up to 25% every time they drive their vehicle into our shop. For more information on High Mileage Club, visit our website and enroll today. We also offer additional services, deals with service coupons, allowing our customers to receive exclusive discounts on parts, accessories, and services for the best possible deals available. Today, visit Overseas Motors BMW and Mini Windsor websites. When your vehicle needs maintenance, you can count on us to provide the best possible service ever. Our goal is to make your experience as simple, convenient, and efficient as possible. So come on down to Overseas Motors BMW and Mini Windsor. We appreciate you watching this video and have an outstanding day.